Hey guys, today we're going to run on how to get free Udemy courses, and what we are going to do first is to open the Udemy website on our web browsers, and then we're going to come back few lines here, and we're going to sign up if we don't have an account and log in if we do have an account. Then once you're finished with signing in on your account for signing up, you can another website that you may need to access is answer Q, and we are going to tap on that website. And what we can do is to either tap on the Udemy or and scroll down and to the type of courses that they do offer, which are for free. Another thing that we can actually do is to access another website, which is Udemy paid courses for free with certificates. They will link up on this website that is after scrolling down. This one. And in here, we can actually see the free courses that they do offer in Go and Udemy. And we can actually join their websites like Telegram, Facebook, and the others. And also they do offer coupons. And so we are going to tap on Udemy, and then we quick scroll down and that you can see they do it was an alternative of trying to clean their channel, and they do offer some free courses that we decide to do what we actually want to study, and we can decide, let's say, we want to tap on how website works. As you can see, they do offer a video on how the website works. We can either decide to add this to cart, or we can apply for a coupon. And the thing about coupons is once our coupons has expired, we may have to now pay for the course. And even as we go back, we do have some courses that we can decide to study, and they are actually a lot. And as you can see, that actually leads to 131, and it's still continuing. Another thing is that on our coupons, we actually have been given 1,000, which means only the first 1,000 people who use the given link, they will to get Udemy paid courses for free, 400% off. And then we have to do is to just choose the course that we want to study, and we are going to be using the coupons that will have been offered. And in case that we may experience any type of a problem in getting the courses for free, you can watch the video that has been given using this link that is here, and that is how you guys can get Udemy courses for free. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.